There it sits in the valley so fair, the wee place we call Ballyclare. For bigger now than when I was a lad, still no sure if that's good or bad. And they he came fae near and far, handy table fast, 10 minute by car. But despite all these folk that he come around, still in the street the shutters are down. There's even pretend shops all up the street, where you'll no fin bread and you'll no fin meat. I'm no here to run it down, but it could do better, our wee town. For better folk you couldn't meet, fae the foot of the town to the top of the street. If you fancy a donner, there's money a place, along the sixer up the road, at your leisure, at your own pace. I have stood there through all the years, through all the wars and all the tears. Up they got when they heard the call. Some gave something, some gave all. You'll be back by Christmas, that's what they were told. So off they went, baith young and old. But it wasn't true, it wasn't her son. Will they ever get back to their wee town? There's much more to say about their courage and fight, but that will hae to keep till another night. Things are happier now, we all hae more stuff. For the wean's grown up now, it's no so tough. They laugh and joke and sing like larks. Playing between are two great parks. And yen of them we mind the deed, and the others we gie the ducks a feed. What about the characters? Well, what could we say? Far too much. That'll hae to wait for another day. It's a great wee place, dinna doubt it. It's called Ballyclare, and the sixer runs through it.